Most people think digestion starts in the stomach. That's wrong. When you bite into a whole orange, digestion starts in the brain within seconds. That single moment quietly changes how your blood flows, how your immune system responds, and how fast your body repairs itself. Not supplements, not pills, just one fruit. Today, we're going inside the human body, organ by organ, to see exactly what happens when you eat an orange. And the most surprising effect happens before the food even reaches your stomach. Let's start where digestion actually begins. The brain. The moment sweet and acidic compounds from an orange touch your taste receptors, nerve signals fire instantly to the brainstem. Before the orange even reaches your stomach, your brain has already started preparing your body. This early neural signaling is why whole foods digest differently from processed sugar. And this preparation step is critical. When the orange reaches your stomach, something important happens. Unlike juice, orange pulp contains soluble fiber, which absorbs water and expands. This slows how fast food leaves the stomach. That delay is powerful. Vitamin C remains chemically stable in the acidic environment, while fiber physically controls digestion speed. This is why eating an orange does not spike blood sugar the way orange juice does. And this slow release sets up everything that comes next. In the small intestine, digestion becomes precision work. Vitamin C, potassium, and natural sugars move across the intestinal lining through specialized transporters. Fiber continues to slow glucose absorption, preventing sharp insulin spikes. This is the difference between controlled energy and a sugar crash. Your body absorbs what it needs without stress. Once absorbed, vitamin C dissolves directly into your blood plasma. It doesn't need digestion. It doesn't need activation. It circulates immediately, reaching organs within minutes. This rapid availability is why vitamin C plays such a critical role in immune defense and blood vessel health. And that brings us to inflammation. White blood cells actively pull vitamin C out of the bloodstream. They use it to neutralize oxidative stress and improve response speed. This doesn't mean you won't get sick. It means your immune system reacts faster and more efficiently. In a world of chronic stress and poor sleep, that matters more than people realize. Inside your blood vessels, vitamin C reduces inflammation in the vessel walls. This improves endothelial function, the ability of arteries to relax and expand. Better expansion means smoother blood flow, lower resistance, less strain on the heart. Over time, this supports lower cardiovascular risk, especially when combined with a fiber-rich diet. Vitamin C plays a non-negotiable role in collagen synthesis. Without it, collagen fibers form incorrectly. With it, skin structure becomes stronger, more elastic, and more resilient. This isn't cosmetic magic, it's basic tissue repair, and it's happening quietly every day. In the brain, antioxidants reduce oxidative stress, one of the drivers of cognitive decline. This doesn't make you smarter overnight, but it supports long-term brain health, and that's something most people don't think about until it's too late. Here's the key takeaway. When you eat a whole orange, fiber controls absorption. When you drink orange juice, fiber is gone. Glucose enters the bloodstream faster. Insulin spikes higher, and the body experiences more metabolic stress. This is why whole fruit behaves differently from juice, even though the vitamins look the same on paper. An orange isn't medicine, but it supports systems that medicine often has to fix later: digestion, circulation, immunity, repair. Sometimes the most powerful health tools are the simplest ones. If this helped you understand your body better, share it. Because understanding your body is the first step to protecting it.